Hey everyone, Jim with Evolution Power Sports. Here today to talk about a new product. It's our belt deflection tool for the OEM Can-Am secondary clutch, specifically with our Shift-Tek Helix setup. Okay, and customers will say, well, why do I need, a secondary adjustment tool or belt deflection tool? There's two reasons primarily. One is, some cars are harder to get in and out of gear because the OEM secondary keeps a pretty tight tension on the belt, and sometimes it can make it hard to get into gear. With this setup, you can just add a little bit of slack to the belt, which makes getting in and out of gear quite a bit easier. But the second and more important reason is for drag racing. Okay, right now, if you want to use the OEM Can-Am clutch, which is a very good clutch, it's very durable, there's no means to adjust the belt as a tuning tool. Okay, and a lot of drag racers know that if you want to fix certain clutching characteristics that can't be done with, because you don't have exactly the right helix combination, or your cam arms are not exactly how you would want them to be, you can use the belt tension as a tuning tool. Okay, and again, without being able to set that tension, you can't do that with the OEM clutch. So this allows customers, again, to use the OEM clutch, which again is very durable. So how you would do that is you would use the tool that we include with it, and you'd basically, there's a socket head cap screw here that you loosen up. Okay, here it's through bolted, and then once that's loose, you can turn this in, which will basically open up the clutch and allow the belt to drop down a little bit, and you can play with that in terms of tuning. Okay, the second thing is that with that, people say, well, how do I change my belt? Well, we have this handy dandy little tool which threads in and then basically allows you to open up the clutch like this. Okay, which is actually quite a bit easier than the OEM belt changing tool. So great new product from Evolution Power Sports. Also want to give a shout out to Howard Hack from H&H Performance. We collaborated on this. He will have these for sale, and we will also have it for sale very shortly through our worldwide dealer network.